Yes, ma'am.
In this video or in this class, we will learn how to make interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Okay, simple
Okay,
present
ma'am.
में हम interrogative sentences कैसे frame करते हैं. Interrogative means questions. As you can see here, we
Questions.
have a star. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. It is written here questions. Interrogative sentences हम questions पूछने के लिए use करते हैं, है ना? Questions, right? So
Yes.
here we have, look at here, do. We use
Do.
do and does. We use do and
Yes.
does. Okay. When we use do and does to make interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means question sentence. Whenever we want to ask questions to someone, then we will use do and does. Okay. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
If we want to ask any questions to someone, then we will use do and does. Like I want to ask question. Do you eat? क्या बोला था मैंने? Do you eat?
Egg.
Yes. Like ईशान, do you eat egg? अगर आप खाते हो तो आप बोलोगे yes I do. अगर आप
Yes,
नहीं
I
खाते हो
do.
तो I do not.
No, I do not.
Yes, I do not. Okay. First, here we have does. Does. Does किस किस के साथ यूज होता है? When do we use does?
Ma'am,
Let's
he,
see.
she, it, singular subject.
Okay, let me check. Yes, absolutely correct. He, she, it or singular subject. Very good, beta. Now we have do. Do किसके साथ यूज होगा?
I, you, we, they, plural subject.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, absolutely correct. As you see here, I, we, you, they, and plural subject. We use does with he, she, it, singular subject. Okay. We use he for boys or man, or we can say we use he for male subject. We use she for female. We use it for things or animals. Okay. We use it for thing or animals. Now move on
Okay,
next
ma'am.
slide. For example, here we have milk. Here we have milk, or you can say it is written here, you drink milk. It is a positive sentence. यहाँ पर कोई नेगेटिव सेंटेंस नेगेटिव नहीं है, तो ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है? पॉजिटिव. You drink milk. If we want to make this sentence interrogative, so what should we do?
Ma'am, do you drink milk?
Yes, पहले आ जाएगा do. ये देखिए, do आ गया ना do. Do सबसे आगे आ जाएगा. Whenever we make any interrogative sentence, we will put do or does beginning of the sentence. ठीक है? सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में
Yes,
हम do
ma'am.
ले आएंगे. ठीक है? Do you drink milk? अभी भी यहाँ पर कुछ मिसिंग है. बताओ क्या मिसिंग है और क्या आना चाहिए?
Do you drink milk?
Do you
और
drink
इसके
milk?
आगे क्या?
ये हो सकता है. क्या आया? Question mark. It is very important. Whenever we ask question, we will put question mark. Okay. क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना बहुत जरूरी है जब भी हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. ठीक है. हियर वी हैव अनदर एग्जांपल. डैश
He drink
शी
milk.
ड्रिंक मिल्क. नाउ टेल मी द आंसर.
Do no man does.
डस. ओके, लेट मी चेक. यस,
Yeah.
absolutely correct. Does she drink milk? One thing is, one thing.
Ma'am, question mark.
Yes, question mark. Very good. So, do you drink milk? Does she drink milk? Why do we use do here? Because we will use do with you and we will use does with she. Okay, and remember one thing, whenever we make interrogative sentence, we put do or does from the beginning of the sentence. ठीक है, सेंटेंस के
Okay, ma'am.
स्टार्टिंग में ही हम do और does लगा देंगे जब भी हमें इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Now here we have some other examples. As you can see, Ram eat pizza. So what is the correct answer? Ram eat
Ram eat
pizza.
pizza.
Here you can see we have a question mark. It means it is an interrogative sentence. So is it a complete
Interrog
sentence? Is it a complete
no.
sentence? So what is the correct sentence? Tell me. If
Ram eat
if
pizza.
बेटा if it is
Ram eat
interrogative
pizza.
sentence, if it is interrogative sentence, हमने इस क्वेश्चन मार्क से पहचाना कि इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. लेकिन जब इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है तो हम क्या पुट करते हैं सबसे आगे? व्हाट डू वी पुट?
I'm helping verb.
यस. सो
Do
यहाँ
the.
ओके, which helping verb will come
No,
here?
I think do.
Do.
I
Let me
think
check.
do.
Okay, let me check.
Oh.
Does, because Ram is a singular subject. As I told you, we use does with singular subject. So Ram is a singular. That's why we will use here does. Okay, next. Ishan and Ayu go to school. Here is your school. So what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, it's use
Here we will use
do.
do. Okay, let me check. Yes, absolutely correct.
Yeah.
Do. Next, Sneha and Karthik drink water.
Ma'am, do.
Do. Okay. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Next, Tanish eat burger.
Ma'am, does.
Just. Okay. Yes, very good. You did all correct. Very nice. Okay. So I hope you clear where do we use does, do, does. Is it clear?
Ma'am, my partial cap. Yes, ma'am, I'm clear.
Okay, good.